lifting today. Some deadlifts, some accessories. Just kind of filming the lift, seeing how everything goes. But yeah, let's just get into it. Yeah.
It's useless.
I'm working on fine.
Penny
X.
Today's kind of like more of a trying to, get it back type deal. And I kind of just hit a plummet where I just wasn't really getting any progress. But yeah, today is kind of just doing what I do and just get it back. So yeah, super aggressive overload. Let's just get this going.
Now that we've come this far, I don't know how I'm supposed to tell you the truth.
Yeah, really not much else to say except the rear delts are starting to form a little bit more. Biceps need some work for sure. Definitely need to figure out what I'm gonna start cutting. But yeah, I mean, well, everything in the back is starting to look good again. I know that my left, can't think of the word right now, but this right here, I know my left one is a bit shorter than my right one. So that's something I've been trying to work on with single arm rows, or pull downs, I guess. But yeah. So, I mean, it's not bad physique for what it is. So, getting there. Anyway, I think that's it.